In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to sync contacts problem on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a well-maintained list of contacts can be crucial on LinkedIn, especially for networking or job searching. If your contacts aren't syncing, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. First, let's get started with logging into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Here, you'll see the sign-in form where you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. Next, we need to access your account menu. Look to the top navigation bar of the web page and find the Me icon. This is typically represented by your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage a variety of settings related to your LinkedIn account. Now let's navigate to the Preferences section. On the left-hand side of this Settings page, you'll see different tabs. Make sure you are in the Account Preferences tab, which will give you access to various account settings. Once you're in the Account Preferences section, look for a segment related to syncing options or something similar, often labeled Syncing Contacts. This is crucial for ensuring that your contacts are being managed correctly. The next step is to enable the syncing feature. You should see an option that says Sync Contacts. Make sure this is switched to on. If it's already enabled and you're still facing issues, you can try toggling the setting off and then back on again. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve the syncing problem. Once you've enabled the sync feature, it's important to verify that it's working correctly. After you switch the option to on, LinkedIn will begin pulling information from any connected email accounts or mobile devices you have to sync your network. This process might take a bit of time, so be patient as LinkedIn gathers your contacts. If, after following these steps, you still aren't able to sync your contacts on LinkedIn, consider checking your connected accounts. Sometimes, if your email accounts are not correctly linked, it can cause further issues with syncing. You may also want to look into any privacy settings you have in place that could restrict LinkedIn from accessing your contacts. Finally, if you're still facing frustrations with syncing, don't hesitate to contact LinkedIn support for assistance. They can offer more personalized help based on the specific issues you're encountering. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the unable to sync contacts problem on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this information helps you build a better network on LinkedIn.